Where two or three are gathered in my name, I am among you, says the Lord Jesus Christ. It's a great joy to all of us, dear viewers and listeners of Seva Studio. On behalf of the Seva Studio, the Diocese of Srikakulam, the founder and the chairman, Most Reverend Rairala Vijay Kumar, we wholeheartedly welcome a great missionary to Hong Kong, Reverend Father Kantarao Pime. Dear Father Kantarao, wholeheartedly welcome you to our studio. It's a great joy for us to meet you. And we would like to request you to give a brief sketches of your biography so that the viewers and our listeners will come to know who you are and where you are.
First and foremost, I would like to thank Right Reverend Bishop Rairala Vijay Kumar for inviting me to his diocese, especially to see and to experience the faith of the people here. But unfortunately, due to COVID, we do not have the public masses and all. But he found out this very good occasion by making these using mass communication, especially video recording, audio recording, all these things. So he really found out a new way to reach out to the people, because the present generation people like to are more interested in this mass communication and all. So I am also grateful to him for inviting me to his diocese and to stay for a few days. And coming to me, I am Father Kantarao, come from Khammam Diocese, from Bayaram Parish. I come from a substation. There is a Desineni Palam, and I became a priest in 2012. So then I also worked for 4 years in our minor seminary Eluru. Then I went to the missions in 2016.
Dear Father Kantarao, thank you for giving us your biography in a very short and sweet message. And I still remember when I joined the seminary, we were together in the minor seminary, and by the grace of God, we were together in theology in the Philippines. And today, especially due to the COVID situation, we are not able to reach to the people and public masses, you are rightly said. And our founder and the chairman of the Seva Studio, Most Reverend Rairala, has established last year this studio to reach out to the people. And through your vocation story, that many may inspire to come to God and to serve the Lord, because the harvest is plenty, but the laborers are few. Can you give us a brief sketches on how and why you have joined the seminary?
As a child, especially my elementary studies, I studied in St. Mary's boarding, Marirani Parshala, there in our parish, from 2nd to 5th class. And when I was studying there, we used to attend every day daily mass and all. And from there also, I used to read first reading and all. At that age, from second standard time, I got the opportunity to read the first reading in the mass. And the inspiring thing that in my life, that was one day when I was reading, especially the first reading in our church for Sunday Mass, one old man, he came to me and said, "Boy, please come here." And he called me and he said, "Today, what you have read in the first reading, your voice is clear and you really read very well, because at that age, we are so frightened, we are so afraid to look at the people and to read. especially maybe I was having around maybe 7 to 8 years at that age. And he also gave me at that time 50 paise. So long ago, almost like 30 years ago. And that really, it's not that I read and I got that small token of love. He gave me some 50 paise. But that also inspired me to read more Bible. So especially in the church and all. So in that way, my childhood I spent with the fathers and sisters, and also doing the altar server, and all these things inspired me. And there, I have not decided, but I feel that that was my foundation for my religious life, and especially for my faith. That's what I believe. And then after that, I went to the government school. From there, I also completed a junior college, my intermediate. Later then, I went to for the PMA vocation camp. And that time, Father George Thailamanal was a parish priest in our Khammam North Parish, Blessed John Moscone Parish. And he was a parish priest. And I still remember, after my first year of intermediate, I went to meet him and I expressed my desire. I want to join PMA. And he said, why you want to come in between? And because you just finished only 1 year of intermediate, and why don't you complete another year and you can join? Maybe this inspiration I got because why PMA? Because why I have joined PMA? The inspiration I got because our PMA parish was founded and established by PMA fathers. It was like 1901. So almost it completed almost like 120 years of history. So at that time, I also, as a young boy, I witnessed how these missionaries could reach out to our village, because still to that village there is no bus and train doesn't stop. And our missionaries used to come by bullock cart. So those things I really, because there the fathers, sisters, they used to tell about these stories, how they used to struggle, because there was no transportation and there was not like what we imagine today. But still I wonder why the missionaries chose only particularly that place, that Bayaram parish. So it is one among the, especially in these two Telugu states, that is the oldest parish established by the PMA missionaries. So it was really a great inspiration for me. The missionary work that I have seen, the parish that they established, and also the boarding that also they invited sisters to have the school, and also the boarding for the boys, because especially for the village boys, because the parish has 6 substations. Then the children used to come from these substations to remain in that boarding and study. So I also had the opportunity, because I come from a substation, and I also joined in that boarding. Almost like 4 years I studied there. So I could witness our PMA fathers' great, wonderful work, and especially enriching the faith, especially spreading the gospel and good news to our people. That really a great inspiration for me.